Look at this beautiful spicy soy salmon and fried noodles. It says there all the things that you needed to know. 15 minutes, cooking time, 681 kilocalories, it's Asian and low in salt. 8 serves 1, it says there. And look at that. Ang ganda, di ba? At the side, let's see. Okay. Let's be responsible, recycle, share your Gourmet adventure. Okay, that's nice. Checking what's inside this. All the ingredients that you need. Ang dito na siya. Everything is here. The seasoning, everything. So you don't have to worry if you're putting too much or less. There's the noodles. There's the gulay. And there's the salmon. We're gonna cook the noodles for 1 minute after adding the 1 cup of water to the ginger. Then add the spinach. Add the honey soy sauce. And then transfer the noodles to your plate. And here's the final product, cooked by Wancho.